Hello everyone, my name's Geoffrey, and today I'm going to be explaining to you my latest project, the Goal Tracker. So, what is this Goal Tracker? Well, as the name implies, it's a website that allows users to track their progress in achieving their goals. So, there are four main pages that allow this page to run, four files really. So the first one is the main.py file, which has all the redirects and Python code in Flask required for the pages to be able to move between each other. You've got the home.html page, which, as you can see, displays this home page. And you've got a new skill page, which really is just the add new goal page, which I will show you later. And there's the update skill page, which is actually update goal progress. So first, the home screen. The home screen has reminders, which will update once a user has updated their goal such that they've got less than 10% of the time remaining to achieve that goal. And you've got the list of your goals. But I should probably show you. So when you go to add new goal, well, skill, or whatever you want to call it, you can add any goal you like. So let's say you'd want to finish this website. That would not be a physical activity, arts and crafts, language, or music, so it goes in other. The skill itself would be coding. And let's say you gave yourself 3 hours. Then it would display here, and you can delete the goal. However, I don't want to do that yet. Instead, I want to update my most recent progress. So there will obviously be the list of goals to update. Let's say I used 1 hour, and the progress description will be I managed to add the update goal page. So once you press update skill, that would show up here, and it would show you how much time you've used. Now, since it's not 10% of the time left, it won't display anything on the reminders. And, well, I made this because I thought it would make it easier for others to see and be able to be proud of how far they've gone after looking back at the website. And also because it'd just be easier to manage overall. So, yeah. Thanks for watching.